In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to check the word count in Google Docs using the updated options. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. To get started, open your document in Google Docs. The easiest way to check the total word count is to go to the top menu, click Tools, and then select Word Count. A small window will appear showing the number of words, pages, and characters excluding spaces in your document. If you only want to check the word count for a specific section, simply highlight the text first. Then go back to Tools, Word Count, and Google Docs will show the word count for just the selected text instead of the entire document. There's also a live word count option you can turn on. In the word count window, check the box that says Display Word Count while typing, then click OK. After that, you'll see the word count appear at the bottom left corner of your document, updating automatically as you type. And that's it. You now know how to check total word count, selected text word count, and enable live word count in Google Docs using the latest interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Docs guides.